Hello friends, I'm back with another video. In this, I'll show you how to solve the corners of the last layer. In this, you have to do two algorithms. First, to make the corners at the right place, and second, to orient them. To make the corners at the right place, first you have to find a corner which is at the right place. This green, orange and yellow corner is at the right place because these are the green, orange and yellow centerpieces. So it has to be put here. So just take it and make the upper side to the left side and do the algorithm. R, U prime, L prime, R, U, R prime, U, L, and just see if the all the corners are at the right place. If the corners are not at the right place, just do the algorithm. Just repeat the algorithm. Make the upper side at the left and R, U prime, L, U, R prime, U prime, L. These are oriented automatically and these are not. If your Rubik's cube corners are not oriented automatically, you do this algorithm which I show you next. Repeat repeatedly. To make this corner oriented correctly, do this. Make this down layer at the left side and do this. R prime, D, R, D prime, R prime, D, R. Here's your corner is correctly oriented. Then don't move these two layers. Just move this upper layer to the left side and do the algorithm. Down prime, R prime, D, R, D 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 prime, and just move this upper layer and your Rubik's cube is solved. The last algorithm is repeatedly twice or thrice to make these corners placed correctly. If your corner is not placed correctly, just repeat this algorithm. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.